Konnichiwa to the entire ISL community and everyone who dressed pink to celebrate the Japanese Cherry Blossom Festival last week. Today, we're diving into the incredible cultural event, a beautiful celebration of spring in Japanese culture. We witnessed the art of mochi-making, enjoyed traditional songs and dance, and joined in some fun games. Let's take a closer look.
Thanks, Cooper. I'm here at the Cherry Blossom Festival, and let me tell you, it's like I'm in Japan, with traditional Japanese dancing, games, and delicious treats just for a £1 ticket. This event is all about raising money in support of our school charities and in aid for the 2024 Noto earthquake. This place is amazing, and you're gonna love it here. So let's see if other people love it too. Our expert of the Cherry Blossom Festival, Andrew, is here. So, I have one question. The one and only. What is the meaning of this event?
So this event is to raise money for charities, but also represent and show Japanese culture to you guys. So just like a cherry blossom, it only lasts for a week, and is to welcome spring as a tradition in Japan.
Shohei, what is mochi?
Okay, mochi is a type of rice cake made from glutinous or sticky rice.
And how do you make mochi?
Well, to make it, people pound the rice with a large wooden mallet called a kine and a stone or wooden ball or mortar called an usu. The process requires two people. One person pounds the rice, while the other with their hands and turns or folds the rice.
Thank you. Well, this festival is a true visit to Japan and the culture behind it. I'm now truly Japanese. Sayonara, sotaji ni moridori masho.
Grade 1 is on fire. As part of their How Do We Express Ourselves unit, students explored how people create systems to stay organized and solve problems. They fired questions at various members of our school community and even lit up the school with visit from the local fire brigade last week. The firefighters showed us how they stay organized to tackle big problems, giving students a first-hand look at emergency organization. On Tuesday, grade 11 students stepped out of the DB College for a trip across town to visit the UCAS University Fair at London Excel. Under one roof, they had the opportunity to speak with representatives from hundreds of universities and colleges around subjects they're interested in studying. This event allowed them to ask questions they couldn't find in a prospectus, helping them gather valuable information and making informed decisions about their future education. ISSA competed in Lisbon for the annual ISSA Boys Basketball Tournament, facing teams from Turkey, Madrid, Barcelona, and London. After securing second place in the pool, the team fought hard in the playoffs against ASM, going into overtime but ultimately losing the battle. Let's chat with our team captain about his experience.
The tournament, I think it was very enjoyable, and we had a lot of fun team, and we all got closer together, created a stronger bond as a team. I think we got a lot of experience from it, and it was just fun overall. I think we had a very good start, winning both of our games, which led us second in the pool. I think we played very well, but unluckily we started to lose our games when we got to the quarterfinals and the finals and all that. I think, for taking this tournament, I think we got a lot of experience from it, and a lot of our younger guys are a bit more developed. So I'll say next year, when everyone will be a bit better and we have a strong chance of getting top 3 and maybe first place.
Quick update in honor of World Theater Day, which was yesterday. Tonight, there will be a special grade 9 and 10 theater performance. It's a one-night-only event, starting at 6:30 in the main hall. Tickets are free, but seats are limited. To reserve your spot, send a request to Miss Catherine Lister, and she'll add you to the list. Let's celebrate the magic of theater together.
What is this production about?
So Almost Maine is a romantic comedy. It talks about a bunch of different people inside a small town, and it talks about their relationships and how they grow within their relationships, their intentions, how different they are.
Who are you playing?
I'm playing Shelly and Marcy.
Are you excited about tonight?
Yeah, I'm very excited. In fact, you guys should come and watch it, so see you tonight.
Make sure you check out the Grade 6 exhibition in the MBH today as they showcase their worlds. As the broadcast comes to an end, we'd love to mention all the fantastic mothers, as it's going to be Mother's Day this Sunday. And buon viaggio to the students going on the educational trip to Italy next week, as the rest of us enjoy lessons in school. But they're the last ones before break. Goodbye.